Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Transita Johnson, and today I'm back with this beautiful ponytail style with a little trick. I've seen that so much on social media that I had to try it. I have shorter hair than the women I saw doing this, so I tried. Here we go, with a ponytail in the middle. So I took a tiny elastic, then I did a second ponytail with the left part of my hair. Make sure that everything is inside of this little ponytail and that it looks neat. Tie off with a little hair elastic, and then do a third ponytail on the right hand side. Here the same. Make sure all the hairs are inside. Now you have 3 ponytails. Go with your fingers into the ponytail from the right hand side, flip it to the inside, go through with 2 fingers, grab the middle ponytail and pull it through. Now you want to hold the ponytail you pulled through to the side and tie the first ponytail that you just flipped around. Now take the left one, bring again the finger inside, and here I do 2 twists to the inside. You see, a full twist around, and then I take again the 2 ponytails that I had already combined, flip the left one under and tighten it. And now to bring all this hair together, I take another elastic and I bring it under the 2 flip overs that I did, or these turnarounds, however you want to call. Then pull this hair tie to the top and it hides under the hair strand. You can pull these a bit or just leave it like I did it here, and you have this beautiful movement in your hair and no hair tie to see. If you're new on our channel, please give us thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you back very soon. Bye bye.